If you want to connect your Trailhead org to Salesforce Data Loader to do some, experiments and practice using the Data Loader tool, then it's very simple to connect them. Basically, the 3 bits of information you need are your Trailhead username, Trailhead password, and the security token for that Trailhead org. So to find those, you'll need to launch your Trailhead Playground. Once you've opened your Trailhead Playground, you want to open the Playground Starter app because that's where the credentials are. So if it's not brought up automatically, open the app launcher, type in Playground, and then get your login credentials. From this page here, you can see your username. That's one key piece of information. The next thing you need to do is press Reset My Password because you need to know the specific password for this org. Given that it automatically connects to Trailhead, you don't set a password when you create it. So you need to go reset password to manually create a password for this account. Once you've done your reset password, the next thing you need to do is find out what your security token is for this org. And the best way to do that is just to reset it and then it'll be emailed to you. So to reset your security token, click on the profile icon in the top right hand corner. Go to settings of your profile. On the left hand side menu, if you scroll down, you'll see an option that says reset my security token. If you click that, press reset token. It'll perform the reset and then send you an email which will confirm your username and then also your security token. And now that you've got your username and your password and your security token, you'll be able to now connect to your Trailhead account through Salesforce Data Loader. Once you receive this email that gives you your security token, you've now got the 3 key pieces of information that you need. You've got your username, which you could find in the Playground Starter app inside Salesforce. You've got the password that you created by pressing Reset Password, and you've now got your security token, which you got through your profile and selecting Reset Security Token. Armed with those 3 new pieces of information, you now need to open Data Loader and then click on one of the functions and it'll then ask you to sign in. So we're going to use the password method. We're not using sort of SSO or anything. So we're going to say password. If you enter your username there that we found, and then in the password field, we want to enter the password that we created plus the security token joined together. So a single string password followed by the security token, no spaces or dashes in between, just create a single block. And our login URL is the standard login URL. If you include those things and then press login, it'll then take you into Data Loader with a connection to your Trailhead Playground. I'm going to do that with my information now. So I'm going to first enter my username, copy and paste that, my password, and then I'm going to copy and paste the security token on the end of that. So no passwords or dashes, just a single string. Standard login URL and press login. And it should connect to Data Loader. There we go. So now we're successfully connected to Salesforce Data Loader using a Trailhead Playground. Hope that helps.